Hello students, today we will move to the next topic of class 8 chapter 3 history. Britain turns to India. In previous class we have studied about why the demand for Indian indigo. Because of the indigo produced a rich blue color, but by the end of 18th centuries the demand for Indian indigo grew further. But while the demand for indigo increased, its existing suppliers from the West Indies and America collapsed for a variety of reasons. So here company turns to the India. So rising the demands for indigo in Europe. So the company in India looked for ways to expand an area under the indigo cultivations. So from the last decade of 18th centuries, the indigo cultivations in Bengal expanded during the time of 18th centuries. So in 1788, only about 30% of indigo imported into Britain but was from India by 1810. The proportions had gone up to the 95%. So as the Indian indigo trade grew, commercial agents and officials began investing in Indian indigo productions. So over the years many company officials left their jobs to look after their indigo business. So they attracted by the prospect of high profits. So numerous Scotchmen and Englishmen came to India and became the planters. So those who had no money to produce indigo, they could get the loans from the company. So in this way the credit also flourished during that time. So here company and the banks that were coming up at that time, the persons, those who had no money to produce the indigo. So here companies and investing the money, they give the monies from the peoples in form of loans. So in this way credit also flourished.